So today's discussion is going to be about Vechain. So what is Vechain? So Vechain is used in blockchain to track life cycles of goods through the supply chain. This comes at low cost. It follows a product from its origination point to its end user, which does one thing, and that is a significantly reduced fraud, counterfeiting and product tampering. So once Vechain comes in business and comes in partnership with My Story is going to be an app on your phone. So when the product comes to your door, you scan it with your phone and that tells you where it's originated from, where it was manufactured, how it got there, etc. So there's a ton of information that is stored on the Vechain blockchain. So 3 Italian wine users are currently implementing that now, and the story is to unique digital identity and a data platform. So all the info gathered through the My Store process will be stored, as was said, on the Vechain Thor public blockchain. Now that's for everybody to see. So what's the benefit of Vechain? First of all, it's scalable and affordable enterprise solution that will improve the quality of products and prevent high-end wine from being refilled with cheap knockoffs and passed off as a real thing. Now that does happen, guys, in a lot of industries where you think you're buying the real thing. It comes to your door and it looks appalling. To see you buy off eBay some Gucci glasses, for instance, and they come to your door and you look at them and you think, yeah, they're very fake. So Vechain is going to eliminate all that. So the story of My Story is to establish the uniqueness of a bottle and the authenticity of a bottle. Now, like I said before, this could be used in many different industries. So you've got electronics, you've got shoes, you've got drugs. So if you buy vitamins from eBay or from health shops and they come to your door, how do you know where they really come from? Are they really authentic? And this is what Vechain is trying to eliminate. Also clothing as well. So Nike, they spend millions each year, and counterfeit guys brought in 3,000 fake Jordan trainers into America, and the estimated cost was £73 million they made. So that is quite a significant amount of money for counterfeit goods. So just think, if Nike spends 1% of that on building a solution against counterfeit, they are going to increase their market share by tons. So Vechain is bringing solutions to major companies. It's teamed up with SPTG, which is a famous shoe artist who done Cody Bryant's shoes and other famous stars' shoes. He's also Vechain's also using Arcit, which is a clothing brand for men, women and children. This will be used on their service to track their products. So when they do come to the door, you'll know exactly where they come from. It's just a little chip that gets put in the clothing. Similar when an alarm goes off in a shop when you go through. It's similar to that. All you do is scan it and it tells you its origination point. Also going to be used in the car industry. They're trying to team up with BMW. So that's to track mileage, service, repair work. So if you ever bought a car and it's coming, do you really know what mileage is on that car? Do you really know how many MOTs? Do you really know if it's signed off as a service? Vechain is trying to eliminate that. Now it's trying to get mass adoption in place, but me personally, I've got it in my portfolio because I think it's a great product and it has got a lot of potential and it will be getting laid out along the line. So it's definitely one to keep an eye on. And if you want a little bit more information, there's tons of information out there about Vechain and how it's changing. It's just signed up with a gas supplier. So it's all about mass adoption. Once mass adoption kicks in, it's going to be beneficial for everyone. And I think everybody else can jump on board. But it's definitely something to take into consideration when you are adding to your portfolio. So guys, I hope you like the video. And if you want some more on some different products and different projects that's coming up, then stay tuned and I will be updating them as I go on through this time in lockdown. So thanks very much, guys, and I appreciate your time and stay safe, everybody.